cooking video. Woo! If you don't watch my Snapchat stories or my Instagram stories, I do cook a lot. Right here is my Instagram. Right here is my Snapchat. So follow those. Check out some more videos of me cooking. But today we're going to be making cauliflower pizza. I'll link the recipes below in the description. I am getting these from Pinterest. This is the one I'm going for here. Alright, so we're just going to hang out. I'm going to get the ingredients ready. Alright, so let's get our ingredients. Okay, so we are going to need egg. So, egg. Put that back there. Some Parmesan cheese for the crust. What else do we need? Let's see. Got some mozzarella cheese. We need dried basil. I should have all this because I did. Again, if you haven't seen the story, I made this before, so I'm gonna do it again because it was so good. Garlic powder, the oregano, and the basil. Sweet. All right. 2.5 cups grated or ground cauliflower. Today I am cheating. I found this in the store. Rice cauliflower.
Dude, what the fuck?
It was quite difficult to rice cauliflower. It literally took me like an hour and a half. So I bought it already riced. We need to preheat the oven to 425. Leo, can you get out, please? Thank you. I hate the pressure of preheating an oven before actually making anything because it gives me anxiety. I'm gonna do half the recipe, so it's asking for 2.5 cups. That's 1.25. Okay. Alright, so this is the bowl I'm using. It's a size. If anyone asks, I do a lot of my groceries at Aldi. If you have it, go there. It's cheap. This is not sanitary. Again, I'm doing half the recipe. Oh gosh, this is frozen. Okay, we got... Oh, jeez, okay. Okay, Leo, sure, show your butt to the world. You hoe. 1 1/4. Okay. I made this recipe before. This recipe actually usually makes 2 crusts, but it's just me here, so I'm just making it for myself. Oh, I have to strain it with paper towel. Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. See, the thing is, it's funny. I've made this before, and I still don't remember what to do. Alright. Get all the water out, I think, is the purpose. Oh, I'm sorry, Leo. Leo, my cauliflower is all wringed out, so we're just gonna, this is gross, but we're just gonna drop this in here. How this is gonna work, because my cauliflower is slightly frozen, so I feel like there's still moisture there, but you know what? We'll do this, we'll try this. Does your mom ever do this? Like when she gets a day off, she ends up cooking the whole kitchen? Like sometimes I go home and my mom makes like, she's like, oh, here I made cookies. Oh, I made banana bread. Oh, and also I also made coffee bread. Like, does she do that? Does your mom do that? Is that just me? That's fine. That could just be me. I paste cauliflower and fluff with a fork. Okay, I can do that. We are fluffing. Fluff that with a fork. Fluffing. Okay.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Add basil, oregano, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella. So everything. Okay. Half of basil.
Dude, what the fuck?
Okay. Yeah, garlic powder. Garlic powder. Why am I cooking without any tunes? Okay. I just realized I'm literally here talking to myself in silence, which is kind of awkward. So I'm gonna play some music. 1/4 cup of Parmesan, so half of that 1/4 is math that I do not know. Half of a 1/4. That's 1 point, no. A 1/4 is 0.25. So half of that is 1/8. That took me a long time, but I got it. Shout out to Cassidy, but she got me obsessed with this song. It's called Stay by Post Malone. And I didn't even know Post Malone could do songs like this. It's so great. Okay, boom. And garlic cheese in here. And again, it's asking for the same thing. It's a 1/4 cup, so it's an 1/8 cup. Got it this time? Okay. Fluff that again. Fluffing, fluffing, fluff. Fluff, fluff, fluff.
You don't love me!
Mix well and taste. Ugh. Add salt to taste. I'm just gonna put salt, whatever. Maybe a little bit more. Ugh. I'm gonna beat this egg. Go in here. It's all okay. I've been waiting on this all damn day. Woo! This is what this looks like. Yum. Looks gross. So I'm getting a baking sheet with some parchment paper. Put this on here. I'm watching music videos right now, the top 40. Justin Bieber in the song No Brainer looks kind of gross. We got a long hair situation. Justin Bieber, whatever happened to you? Okay, so it doesn't, I don't have a roller, so we're just gonna do this, and I'm just gonna, yeah, this is how we're gonna do this. Beautiful. Oh, she ready. Okay. While that's preparing in the oven, the crust, I'm gonna start getting my ingredients that I'm gonna be putting on top of the pizza. So, some Italian sausage. I got some bell pepper, some mushrooms here. I love mushrooms. Mozzarella cheese, some grilled chicken, and some Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna do a kind of white pizza here. Sauce, and then I'm putting pesto on it too, because why not? It's my pizza. Alright, so like I said, I got all the ingredients to make this pizza, so I'm gonna get a cutting board and we're gonna cut some of that stuff.
Make my heart go, my supernova girl. Make my heart go, my supernova girl.
That's good chicken. I should probably turn this on. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay. There you go, some heat. Ah! Oh, say hi. What's up? Check her out. Freshman at Cal Poly.
Yeah, future telenovela star too.
Okay. Okay, so pizza is done. Oh my god. It's so hot in there. Okay, pizza.
Hi, my name is Lisette. Sorry that I'm looking crusty. I'm a freshman to be at Cal Poly.
Check it out.
Yeah. Sadly, my older sister is Vivian Ramirez.
Sadly.
Not famous. I'm gonna be famous. I'm just kidding. Sorry, Vivian. Whoever you are.
Mozzarella cheese, we're gonna put that on top. Oh, I'm supposed to put cheese first. Oh, whatever. Some cheese on top. And it is going back into the oven to melt that cheese. In the oven. Beautiful. So cook that for maybe like 5 minutes. Ooh, look how beautiful this looks. Beautiful. Yum, 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 yum. So, thank you for watching this video. It might be weird, I don't know. But so that's the video of the week, me cooking cauliflower pizza. So again, please subscribe, and like this video. Thanks, bye.